This was the second time I almost took an L, but I refused. I squared up with that L. I was like, what's good, boy? Blah, blah, blah. And he was like, oh. What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the motherfucking finesse guy, Iggy Diggity J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all. Oh, let me adjust this shit. That's better. J Diggy 90 motherfucking 2 coming back at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing. This is a small ass box. Look, bro. If I'm sweating, if I'm profusely dripping, it's just because I had to fucking chase the UPS nigga down to get this motherfucking package. Cause niggas thought they was finna play with me and make me catch this L for a second motherfucking time on this one pair of motherfucking shoes. So I need you to hit that thumbs up and that like button, cause we ran down on the nickel. We really didn't, but I kindly asked him where my package was, and he said he delivered it to the wrong address. So I went to say the address and just got my package. So I think I made it out to be more than it was. But nah, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button for me. Subscribe if you are new. Slap that notification bell. And without further ado, let's get into this, man. I've been waiting on these motherfucking shits for like almost 3 weeks now. Nah, like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Shouts out to the homie that I bought them from. We gonna get into them in a few. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need a fucking knife. This is so ghetto. Fuck it. I ain't got no knife. Fuck it. Use a bootleg ass Apple eye pencil. Shit. Fuck this. Alright, so what we got here today, god damn, shouts out to my boy for rapping them good, but fuck. What we got here today, y'all can see they not in an official box. So you know what that means. I did it again. Yeah. God damn. Shouts out to my boy for rapping these the way you did. Oh! 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 Ah! I fucked around and bought these. Not gonna cap. I bought some replica Crocs. Look! Before you click off, nigga. I'm not paying $400 for some fucking Crocs. Kiss my ass, so what? They even came with the spare piece, nigga. If you want to know who I got these from, DM me on Instagram at JDiggy92, because I'm not about to put this information out. I'm not about to put his information out on YouTube just in case this video does numbers one day, and then I'm gonna lose my fucking plug. So if you want to know where I got these from or who I got these from, DM me on Instagram. And damn, these shits feel legit. Fuck, you sure he ain't make these? You sure Ben Berry Salih ain't make these? These shits feel legit, my damn. But now, if you want to know where I got these from, so where these reps really look this damn good, if you want to know who I got these from, hit that thumbs up and that like button. But also, for real, if you really want to know where I got these from to where they look legitimate, like with the tag and everything, look. I know y'all getting white blasted, but look. Legitimate tag. Like, so if you really want to know where I got these from, just DM me on Instagram at JDiggy92. And I'll look out for y'all, man. Because I know people like reps and unauthorized jonts is like taboo in the sneaker community. Where like, oh nigga, how you wearing reps, nigga? Why you ain't no real sneakerhead? I am a real sneakerhead. But also I'm mature now, nigga. I realize you ain't gotta pay $400 something for the fucking shoe when they made this shit for like 5 cents. Like, that's crazy. Like I say, the way I feel about like buying replicas and stuff, the way I feel is I only buy reps on like slides. I haven't bought a replica sneaker, so the only reps I have bought is in fake ass foam runners and that's it. Along with these Benberry jumps, just because, like I said, I can't make myself pay over $100 on a shoe that retail for 80 that you can't even wear all seasons, bro. I'm not subjecting myself or my pockets to that. I really don't have a problem spending money on certain stuff just to be like, I got the authentic shit. But at the end of the day, if it don't make sense to me, I'm not gonna fucking do it. You can say what you want, call whoever you want, call me a fake ass sneakerhead, be like, oh, everything in your collection now fake. I don't give a damn. Like, I'm not spending $400 on these, cause these olive greens go for like $400 fucking dollars, bro. Like, look at the quality. Like, bruh, like, you can't tell me these don't look just like the shit. Like even the material on the back, like, soft as hell. Like, bruh, like it got that on the back, like the legitimate logos and everything. Like, nigga, like, I can't fade. Like, I refuse to pay $400 something for essentially a slipper or a slide. I'm not rocking with it. You can call me whatever you want. Kiss my ass. So what? So what? You wild as hell if you like, oh, I got the real ones, and you can't even tell the difference between these and your real ones. So who's the dummy now? Yo ass. But nah, for real. Spend your money how you want to spend your money. It's just certain things I'm not about to fade. I'm not about to rock with. But yeah, man, I'm your boy, the Finesse Guy, Itty Diggy. Y'all, if y'all can't tell, I'm fucking hyped. That I got these, because this is the second time trying to get these into collection, and this was the second time I almost took an L, but I refused. I squared up with that L. I was like, what's good, boy? Blah, blah, blah. And he was like, oh. But nah, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button for me. Subscribe if you are new. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime that I post or make content. And yeah, man, like I said, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching and supporting. Like I always say, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.